Welcome to this video tutorial on how to place limit orders with SparkBot. Aside from your usual market orders, SparkBot supports buy limit and sell limit orders. Let's take a look at an example. From the SparkBot menu, click on Limit Order. SparkBot will then reply with three options. You can see your existing limit orders, create a buy or sell limit order. We'll buy limit order by clicking on Create a buy limit order. Spark then prompts you to select the wallet and also asks for the contract address of the token you wish to buy. In this example, we'll enter the Volt Inu contract address. SparkBot then replies asking you the amount you wish to buy with predefined percentages of the amount of Ethereum you wish to spend from your wallet. You can also click the Custom button here to override with your own value. We'll click on Custom and enter 0.012 Ethereum. SparkBot then replies asking for the desired price for the limit order to be executed. The predefined amounts for the buy limit order here are 25% less than the current price, 50%, 75% or 90% below the current asset price. We'll go ahead and click Custom here again. When entering a custom amount, you will specify the value in USD. So as we're setting a buy limit order for Volt Inu tokens, in this example we will enter 0.0000002320. Next, SparkBot will ask you how long you want the limit order to be in place for. You can select from 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours, or enter a custom time. We'll go ahead and click on Custom here again. SparkBot will then ask for the number of minutes you wish the order to be in place for. We'll enter 600 minutes here, which equates to 10 hours. Finally, SparkBot replies with a confirmation of the limit order being set. You can see your existing limit orders but clicking Limit Order from the main menu, then clicking on See Your Limit Order. SparkBot will then show you your existing limit orders along with their expiration times. Sell limit orders work in exactly the same way, and this concludes the video tutorial on how to place limit orders.